In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView and set up alerts for your chosen trading assets. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with ease. Firstly, open your web browser and go to TradingView's website. TradingView is a highly popular online platform among traders for charting financial markets. Its user-friendly interface makes it ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. Once you're on the platform, ensure you're logged in, so you have access to all your saved settings and tools. Next, look for the Open Chart option on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the charting interface, which is the core feature of TradingView where you can analyze different markets and instruments. The charts provide you with a wealth of information, allowing for detailed market analysis. This is where you can utilize TradingView's vast array of tools to plot indicators, draw trend lines, and much more. Once you have your chart open, direct your attention to the top panel. Here, you will find the Create Alert button. Alerts are incredibly powerful tools in trading, as they allow you to react to market movements without having to constantly monitor your charts. Setting these alerts enables you to make faster decisions, potentially increasing trading efficiency and profitability. After clicking to create an alert, you need to specify your alert conditions. Here, you'll set parameters by choosing the asset you're watching, such as BTC/USD in this example. Next, select Crossing Down from the drop-down menu. This condition tells TradingView to notify you when your chosen asset crosses below a certain price level. This is particularly useful for setting stops or preparing for potential buy or sell signals. Now, type in the price you want as your stop or your target trigger price. It's important to choose a price level that aligns with your trading strategy and risk management plan. Careful planning here can help you protect your investments and capitalize on market movements. Moving right along, find the price field again and ensure that everything is correct and to your expectation. Double-checking your settings can save you from potential mistakes and ensure that alerts work as intended. Finally, hit the Create button. Your alert is now active. TradingView will monitor the markets for you and send you notifications based on the alert conditions you've set, allowing you to stay updated without being glued to your computer screen. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set up alerts on TradingView, equipping you with an essential tool to help you trade more effectively. This concludes our guide, and I hope you found it clear and informative. Happy trading!